Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equal to 3 times a square root of number 3 times t, because if I put this one go in here, you got about 3 times t square, number 3, we can do about factorization, times t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify the power 3 over 2, and later that we simplify by dx. dx, you got about the square root of number 3 secant of t square dt. First derivative of tan t, you got about secant of t square. So I will put this one go in here and here. dx we change by this one. So this one you got about 3 times t square. Number 3, we can do about factorization. This one you got about secant of t square. And now if we put outside, we got about number 3 to the power of 3 over 2. And this one you got about secant of t to the power of 3. This one you got about 3 times t square. The square root of number 3, that's about 3 to the power of 1 over 2. Number 3 in here, that's about number 1. So this one multiplied by this one, you got about 1 plus 1 over 2. And we know that's 1 plus 1 over 2, you got about 3 over 2. And now we need to simplify this one by this one. Secant of t square simplified by secant of t square in here. And now tan t square, we change secant of t square minus 1. Secant of t square divided by secant of t, 1 divided by secant of t. You got about secant of t minus 1 over secant of t. And we have dt. This one you got about cosine t. The integration of secant of t, you got about ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t. The integration of cosine t, you got about sin t, and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by the square root of number 3. And we got about t equals to r tan of s over the square root of number 3. And then I will put this one to change for t. We know that tan with r tan, you got about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.